Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to add product images in the wallpaper business. So make sure to stick around till the very end, and I will share the easy steps to make sure your site looks super fancy and show off all your amazing wallpapers. First of all, open up WhatsApp Business on your phone. After opening your WhatsApp account, head to Settings from the bottom right corner. Now go into your business tools from here, and then head to the catalog to upload a catalog to showcase the products you are selling. So first, you need to add the image of your product. The image you upload should be a high quality image because the customer will be attracted by the high quality image. You can add multiple images of one product just by tapping on Add Images. If you want to keep only one image, then head to Other Details, such as entering the item name and its price, and you need to give the description of your product. You can add details of your products, such as the quality and color of the product. After that, you can choose your country of origin. And if you want to add your website link from where you can purchase these products, add the website link under the link section. Also, you can add the item code of your product. Once you are done, hit the save button from the top right corner. Now your product has been added successfully. Just like this, you can add multiple products by repeating the same process. So simply click on Add Item and upload the photo of your product. Tap on the Upload Photo option. Then head to the gallery and choose the photo of the product you want to add. Select the photo, add it, and enter its item name. Also, enter the price and description of your product. After that, select the country of origin from where you will ship your products. If you have added that product to your website, add the link to this product. Now enter the item code of your product. Once you are done, hit the save button from the top right corner. After saving the product, your product will be added along with others. So that is how you can add your products to your catalog so that customers will see your products and details under one catalog. That is how you can add products to your business, WhatsApp, and expand your digital marketing services. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.